The future of modern physics is going to rely heavily on Fermi labs, um, super radiating particles that are created by Fermi labs, modification of Fermi labs, the very divine questioning of modern quantum physics, especially the Einstein era. Um, Everything that's going on today that's being mismanaged and mishandled, all the inaccuracies that we see in the world, we're going to be dealing with that. Wars. Um, there's a lot of politics at play, and then, survival and everyday stuff that you have to try to do. We're going to be working on what you might call combination physics or spectral combination physics, where um, these super combination physics might integrate into like making universe travel possible, like super traveling engines and things like that, like energy engines. And what we need to desperately know if gravity is created by space-time, which NASA claims they have an experiment with a perfect spherical gyroscope that supposedly measures space-time as the fabric of gravity and the fourth dimension of time, which is probably not accurate or true. However, I believe that everything has a law of volume, and that is all made of particles, even this fabric, if it does exist at all, the ether of space-time. We want to know lots in the future. We want some super physics, and we want to be able to stop nuclear wars. We want to stop catastrophes, and there's a lot that's going to be worked on. People are working on it now. It's like how to stop an earthquake, how to stop a tsunami, how to stop solar flares, how to prevent the death of the sun and the earth, how to conquer galaxies, actually, how to erase galaxies. This is a bit of fiction, but if we do actually find the key to particle physics as a superpower, we will most likely be able to do a lot more, if not an extreme amount. Like beam a ray of particles at a solar system and erase it from the path of destruction. Like stuff like that. We're supposed to collide into Andromeda and like 5 billion years from now or something like that. 5 million, 5 billion, I don't know what the number is. Who says this stuff's really truly accurate anyway? But we've got truly to, we're looking at a lot of physics that means the end of time for a lot of people. And if we want to make Earth a superpower and become really strong and able to survive and become even a human entity, we're going to have to start using things that aren't so simple, like combination physics, spectral combination physics, machines that are much more difficult to use than a handheld tool. And if you do someday make a handheld tool that has the power to do anything and everything, well, good job. You must be God himself. But right now, I think we really want to work on some super physics, some super spectral physics, some combination physics, how to use energy and particles more fluently to manipulate our biology, our construct. How can we maneuver particles through a single cell? Can we use magnets? Can we use particles? What is the future of biology? Ask yourself that. Are we doomed to evolve naturally? Or are we going to produce ourselves a life force that doesn't die. So let's just contemplate, think, start to draw. This is a lot to do with geometry and the law of volume. And this is all about particles and space-time and Einstein era and everything that we know today and everything that's going to be learned. There's still a lot of combination quantum physics that we're going to be going through. And we're human. We're only human right now. This is a weak human race that we're dealing with right now. If we make it through this next term of updates in physics, then it'll be great. But it's really questionable what we're going to do today.